everyone, Bonnie Krebs here with a huge announcement. I am so excited to announce that tomorrow starts our virtual warehouse sale. It's that time of the year again, and this year we're going to do it a little differently. So we're going to have a virtual sale. It will be on our Facebook page. So starting tomorrow, 8 o'clock a.m. Pacific time, we will be on live all day. Kim will be there, Kendra will be there, Phil and Joel will be on. I, of course, will be on. And we are going to have lots of tutorials, lots of stories, lots of fun, and of course, lots and lots of giveaways. So we are going to open up the vault at Art Impressions. We're going to clearance out a lot of products, and they will all be hugely discounted. So some things up to 70% off. And then you get an extra bonus when you check out. You get an extra 25% off your total order. So everything is on sale. We are so excited to be hosting this on our Facebook page. So hope you can join us tomorrow, 8 o'clock a.m. Pacific time. And the sale actually will go until Monday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So if you can't join us tomorrow, check out our website. The link is posted here, so you'll be able to go there and see all of the specials. And then, of course, our videos and tutorials will all be archived so that you can check those out when you get a chance to. So we hope to see all of you there tomorrow morning on our Facebook page. Check it out, and I hope you'll be with us tomorrow for some great deals and lots of fun.